Let's look at this. How do you solve this? Remember the diagrams. 45, 1 square root of 2, 60, 30, 2, 1 square root of 3. Okay? So for this is opposite over hypotenuse. 1 over the square root of 2. For this is adjacent over hypotenuse. 1 over 2. For this is opposite over adjacent. 1 over square root of 3. That's all. So we just replace 1 over square root of 2 plus 1 over 2 all over 1 over the square root of 1 over the square root of 3. Okay? So we need to rationalize the denominator. If you rationalize the denominator, I don't want to waste my time here. If you don't know sort, go back and watch my sort class. I've explained this several times. Why this is what? Over 3. Rationalizing the denominator. Now we can find the LCM of this numerator, 2 square root of 2 plus 1 all over square root of 3 over 3. Then we come back here and say square root of 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 over square root of 3. We flip this, okay? You agree with me? This will give us, this multiplied by this is 3 square root of 2 plus 3 all over 2 square root of 3. Let's rationalize this because it is forbidden to have a square root at the denominator. So we multiply this by square root of 3 all over square root of 3, okay? That will give us square root of 3, 3 square root of 2 plus 3 all over 2 multiplied by 3. Because this and this will give us 3, okay? That is to say, this multiplied by this now will give us 3 square root of 6. This and this will give us 3 square root of 3 all over 2 multiplied by 3. This will cancel this and this, okay? All over 2. This is the final answer, okay? You can also express that 1 over 2 square root of 6 plus square root of 3 or 1 over 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 6. Any of them.